Very good morning to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, is going to describe the summary of a very important chapter included in grade 12 ISC board in the name of B. Wordsworth, written by V.S. Naipaul. Actually, this chapter is on the life of an artist, the struggle that an artist undergoes. What happens is that we people, what we think is that actors, celebrities, artists, writers, poets, etc., these people might be having bungalows, luxury cars, very famous, lavish life, but this case doesn't apply to each and every one. There are many artists who struggle a lot in today's practical life, and same was with B. Wordsworth. B. Wordsworth was an artist who was struggling for an income, who was struggling for a breakthrough. Till date, he has not sold any of his copies. So B. Wordsworth, yes, he is a struggler, and after I complete the summary of this chapter, you will be in a position to understand that not all artists are famous. So let's begin the chapter. The narrator, he still recalls his childhood days where at least 3 beggars used to come at his doorstep and they used to get something or the other. One day, B. Wordsworth, who arrives at his doorstep, he shows his interest to watch the bees in the compound. Narrator's mother was very strict at all this. She, in an unfriendly manner, denies. But B. Wordsworth, carrying good English communication skills, was allowed to come in the compound. In the meanwhile, B. Wordsworth introduces himself as the brother of W. Wordsworth. Students, he is lying. William Wordsworth was very famous during that tenure, and B. Wordsworth, in order to sell the first copy of his poem, he lied in front of the narrator that he is the greatest writer. When they were conversing with each other, he took out a piece of paper in which a poem written on mother. He asked for 4 cents from the narrator, but the narrator did not have the amount. He went to his mother. His mother straight away asked him to leave the place. Before leaving the place, the narrator questioned him that why does he do such odd jobs by wandering here and there. B. Wordsworth reveals that he hasn't sold any of his copies. After a month, they both meet again, where the narrator was returning from his school. B. Wordsworth invites him to his mango yard. Unfortunately, the narrator stains his shirt, returns to his home, was given a good beating by the mother, and that too his nose started to bleed. He had no option. He was so angry, the narrator threatened his own mother by saying that he won't be returning, and he went to meet B. Wordsworth. Now they both just take a walk, lie down on the grass. They were watching the sky and sharing conversations. B. Wordsworth again is going to lie. The narrator asked him that how come the garden is still untended. B. Wordsworth created a story of his own by saying that a couple fell in love with each other. They both got married, and the girl died with the unborn child, and the husband did not touch the garden again. So this is the reason that he quoted. One day when the narrator again came to his house, he was shocked to see B. Wordsworth's facial expression. He could see death approaching. But that day B. Wordsworth exposed himself by saying that neither he is the brother of William Wordsworth nor the story that he constructed that day. was real. He is not an artist. Go from here. He scolds him. He scolds the narrator to leave the place. Sorry to say, my dear students, B. Wordsworth had a drastic end. He died. Now see, don't come to a conclusion, sir, how come he died? Was he starving for food and all? There is no mention of this in the chapter. But yes, you can say that he was growing old, and apart from this, mental pressure, no work, nothing, no money. After a month or so, when the narrator was passing by his house, he saw a newly constructed building instead of B. Wordsworth. Old, one-room hut. This really disheartened him. So the moral of the story is that success doesn't come to everyone. You need to strive hard for this, and only adding artist before your name doesn't mean that you are rich and you are luxurious. So the narrator V.S. Naipaul has written this story to highlight the struggle of an artist, and he has narrated his childhood experience. You can log into my channel in the name of Tarun Kumar, Desire Career Point. In order to join my live sessions, you can call me at 9839305466. This is Tarun sir. Thank you, class.